Nagbabalik ang PTV Sports. Makakasama natin ang ilan sa mga powerhouse sa mundo ng cheerleading. Siyempre kasama natin ang head coach ng National University Pep Squad, ang utak sa likod ng kanilang mga gravity-defying stunts at winning performances, Coach Gabriel Bahacan, at siyempre ang captain ng laging nagbibigay ng energy at inspirasyon sa buong team, team captain ng NU Pep Squad, Iris Arendani. Or Arendain. Welcome to the show, Coach Gab and Iris.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you for having us here.
First things first, Coach. Gusto kong itanong, how does it feel to lead the team once again as the defending champions sa cheer dance competition?
Yeah, definitely mabigat because of the pressure na ginawa ng NU Pep Squad since 2011. The championship na nagawa ng mga previous coaches namin, it's very heavy and it has a pressure talaga na coming into the back-to-back especially this season.
So, Coach, talking about pressure, how do you handle pressure lalong-lalo na lahat ng teams sa UAAP sobrang gagaling na? Lahat ng mga teams nagle-level up every year. So, paano nyo na-handle yung pressure as a defending champ?
Number one, we keep innovating things. We don't stick to what we did previous season. So, we want to research. Research is our number one priority to our team. Sabi nga ni Mr. C is, wag namin gawin yung kung ano lang yung popular. We want is what is right for the team, what is right for the team, and for the people na nagko-compose ng buong team namin. So, we want to do more than what we did last season talaga.
Okay, so ito naman tanong ko kay Iris. Bilang team captain, ano ang feeling na ikaw ang nangunguna sa team sa isa na namang championship run?
So ano po, this season po kasi hindi ko po talaga in-expect na magiging captain po ako. Pero along the way po, nahanap ko naman po yung purpose ko. And then with the help po ng mga teammates ko, the coaches and the managers po, nabibigay ko po yung best ko every trainings, every performances. And then, kailangan ko po talagang lumaban and ipakita sa kanila na good role model ako sa kanila.
So Iris, anong year na si Iris?
Fourth year po.
Fourth year. Pero Coach Gab, tanong ko lang, as a coach, do you really need to have a senior team captain para pahawakan yung team? Or necessary ba na senior siya? Or mayroon bang instances na first year pa lang nag-team captain na?
Pa-instance na third year, pero we want yung experience ng ng isang senior talaga to guide, especially the new ones na pumasok ngayon sa team namin. We have at least 5 or 6 new members coming in for this season. So we wanted the experience of each seniors namin na mag-guide sa kanila. Kasi yun yung maganda, pinapasa nila yung wisdom and knowledge na natutunan nila for the past few seasons na meron sila.
Coach Gab, nabanggit mo kanina na nagre-research kayo kada year. So, ano pa yung, sa tingin mo, paano mo pa napapa-evolve yung routine mo para sa yung preparation mo? Kasi halos every year, mahirap din yan. Usually, napapagod din yung utak natin mag-isip ng tema. So, paano mo pa pinaghahandaan to?
This year, we went to the US, especially with my co-coach, Coach Carl. We went there and watched the Worlds. And from there, we looked for what is in. But at the end of the day, doon sa pagpunta namin doon, we wanted to see kung ano pa yung kaya naming ibigay sa kung ano nakita namin, ano yung pwede pa naming i-step up doon sa nakita namin. It's not just getting what we saw and put it in our routine. It's how to innovate it more para pas marami kaming ipakitang bago for the competition this season.
Okay, so Iris, ito tanong ko sa iyo, ano na ba ang pinaka-challenging na experience mo as a team captain?
Ano po, may times po kasi na hindi nagkakaintindihan yung ibang members and kailangan po talagang pumagitna yung as captain po, kailangan po pumagitna and then ikalma kasi need pa mag-run ng ilan pang mag-routine pa po ng ilan pang runs. Then ayun po, kailangan po talaga na yung leadership ko po, kailangan pong mag-usap po talaga yung communication po namin sa loob. Kailangan po namin gawin para po kumalma yung bawat isa, and then maayos pa po namin yung mga problems.
Tama, communication talaga. Very important yan sa team eh. So Coach Gab, paano mo naman minomotivate yung team mo? Lalo na papalapit na ng palapit yung cheerleading or cheer dance competition. Paano mo sila minomotivate na, okay, huwag kayo ma-pressure. Alam natin na defending champion tayo, pero how do you handle this pressure?
Like this coming week na darating sa amin, we will be having our second team building. And in between, kahapon, we had parang a short game. So we want na ma-break lang yung aming usual routine. Kasi meron kaming nandun na sila sa moment na nababurnt out sila. And that's natural kasi we finished the routine early and then they already mastered it. So medyo nandun na sila talaga sa moment na yun and medyo nakakatakot and we want to break that routine lang para ready kami pagdating ng season namin, hindi kami kampante. Mahirap maging kampante for the competition. We want to have that pressure as well kasi hindi pwedeng all throughout your journey towards the competition is feeling mo kaya mo na. Kailangan nandun pa rin yung medyo konting kaba para alam mong hindi mo ibibitawan yung championship para sa amin.
Tama. So Coach, dito yung sinasabi na parang wag masyadong overconfident.
Yes.
Kasi madalas na overdo kapag ganun eh. So Iris, may mga times na ba, bilang isang athlete or cheerleader sa National University, na may times na ba na parang gusto mo nang sumuko kasi parang kapagod na, may mga ganung moments ba sa'yo?
Meron po. Hindi naman po talaga maiiwasan yun. Lalo na po pag nagsabay-sabay na po yung mga responsibilities, yung sa ACADS po, sa sports po, and then yung may mga problems pa po, personal problems pa po. Pero may support system naman po yung yung NUPEP na nakakatulong po sa mga members. Kaya po lumalaban po kami, hindi po kami sumusuko, and then hinahanap po namin yung purpose pa namin sa team po.
So Coach, paano ninyo tinitiyak na laging stand out at kakaiba yung performance ng National Pep Squad or National University Pep Squad kumpara sa ibang teams?
Like what I said nga, we research and also at the same time, we want to give something new lagi. Every time we perform or compete, may kahit isang part of the stunt, part of the pyramid, or anything na pwede namin gawin na something new sa mata ng tao. So we want to do that one para lang mayroong wow factor lagi yung aming performance.
So Coach, tanong ko lang, curious lang ako. So how do you adjust, especially pagdating na ng competition proper, and then may na-injured kang dancer, may nangyari na bang ganong instance sa inyo? And paano mo hinandle, and were you able to come up with a solution for that?
Injury, we have injury management kasi we have our conditioning and nutritionist coach, which is Coach Glenn and Coach Neil. We tried our best to prevent these things. So towards the competition, we make sure yung safety talaga namin is 100% present. Injuries, hindi siya maiwasan, pero as much as possible, we try to limit or hindi siya maging grabe. That's why we train hard para ma-master nila yung certain stunts or pyramids para maiwasan talaga yung mga hindi inaasahang circumstances. And also, if ever, towards the competition, we have reserves na they're ready to be replaced pagkatapos sila yung magko-compete for the competition. Talagang nire-ready namin we have 4 reserves para mag-aral talaga ng mga routines na yan.
So, ibig sabihin, Coach, yung 4 reserves nito, alam din nila yung buong routine.
Yes.
So, is it a mix of girls and boys?
Yes, we have 2 girls and 2 boys.
2 boys. So, does it have to be flyer or?
We have 1 flyer and 1 mid-base. Okay. And then we have 2 bases. Pero usually kasi talaga, we will look for a bigger guy. If ever, depende kung sino yung na-injured or what. So, basta ready sila.
Yeah. So, Iris, eto gusto ko tanong din na may mga times, syempre paparating na ang competition, may times na nasisigawan kayo ng coach, may times na nasasabihan kayo, napapaglitan kayo. Was there a time na nagkaroon ka ng instance sa coach mo na nasaktan ka or nagtampo ka? Kasi expect na natin yan sa lahat ng team, sa lahat ng athletes, kahit ano pa mang event yan. Usually talaga nasasabihan, napapagalitan ng matindi yung mga athletes. So, paano mo hinahandle pagka nasisigawan or napapagalitan ka ng coach mo?
Ano po, sa akin po, pag, ayun po, napagsasabihan or napapagalitan po, tinitake ko na lang po siya as positive. Kasi alam ko naman pong, hindi ako direct na, hindi yung personal, ano ko po talaga, attitude yung pinapagalitan ng coach, kundi yung kung ano yung ginagawa ko po sa training. And then, gusto lang din naman po ng coaches na mas maging better po ako sa sa sport po. Kaya, ayun po, mas iniintindi ko po yung yung coaches.
Sabi nga nila, pag isa kang athlete, dapat mas mataas pa yung pag-intindi mo kasi you're not a regular student eh. Student athlete ka, so dapat mas maintindihan mo, dapat mas mature ka.
Yeah.
Coach Gab, gusto ko rin itanong sa'yo na buo pa rin ba yung, nung nagsimula ka as coach sa National University, ilang coaches kayo? And now, how many coaches are still there coaching the team?
We started as 5 coaches. 2 have left us already, which is, hindi yung iniisip nyo, yung isa is our head coach, which is Coach Jika. Hello, Coach Jika. And Coach Jess, who is already in Singapore. And we only have 3, me, Coach Carl, and Coach Nikki. So kami na lang natira. And we have, sinabi ko kanina si Coach Neil, Coach Glenn. And then we have a new one, which is Coach DJ RPT. So medyo madami-dami pa rin naman, pero at the end of the day, yung dalawang tao na yon na nawala is very important to us.
And still solid.
And still solid,
Okay.
yes.
So, panghuli na lang, mensahe mo, Iris, and coach sa mga fans nyo sa National University.
Hi guys, thank you sa always na pag-support sa amin. And then, this coming November 29, mas need namin yung yung support nyo. And then, di namin kayo bibigyan sa magiging performance namin this coming season 88 cheer dance competition.
Coach Gab?
Hi guys. Hi to our supporters. Please continue praying for National University Pep Squad. Ilalaban namin to hanggang dulo. Will bring history, 9-time champions. Hopefully, safe lahat. Hindi lang sa NU, but also for the rest of the competitors in UAP Cheer Dance competition.
Okay, that's it. Thank you, Coach Gab and Iris.